Hi everyone, welcome back to the 100 channel. With me here is an update to a device we first looked at in Kenya about 4 months ago. That is the Tecno Spark 5. So this is the Pro model, the Tecno Spark 5 Pro. It was announced over 2 months ago. So we are here to see what it brings to this table and how different or similar it is to the standard variant and all of those things. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Let's get this wrapping off. So that's gone, and what do we have? We still have a sticker here to go, so let's cut this sticker. Good, so that's gone. And here we go. So here's the what you get first. Inside, this is the Tecno Spark 5 Pro itself. We'll keep it aside and come back to it in a bit. Let's see what else you get inside this box. So here's your warranty sticker, and here is a clear case for it. Here is a case for it. So we'll be coming back to those, see how maybe it fits and all of that. Here's a standard Tecno type earphones. One thing to note, when you buy this device, you get Tecno's new true wireless earbuds. That's the HyperPods H2 or something. Yeah, you're getting those. And then here is your USB cable, so micro USB. And then what remains in this box is the wall adapter. As far as I understand, there shouldn't be any form of accelerated charging. And then there's your SIM tray ejector pin. So that's about it as far as everything you get in the box. So let's give the device itself a much closer look. So this is the Tecno Spark 5 Pro, as we've already said, and here is what sets it apart from the standard variant Spark 5. So you're getting 128 GB storage. This is at least what, 4 times what you are getting. Yeah, 4 times what you are getting with the standard variant, which, if I remember correctly, had that 2 GB. Then you are getting twice the memory. So you have 4 GB RAM. The standard variant had 2 GB RAM when we reviewed it. You are getting still the same 6.6 inch dot-in display. So it's 1600 by what, 720 or something. Yeah, and pixels. And then you're also getting the same battery. The camera setup should be similar, but the main sensor here is now a 16 megapixel sensor. And then you have an octa-core processor, which I'm not so sure what it is, because we had the Helio 822, if I remember correctly, on the standard variant. That's about it. So let's get this wrapping off so that we can have a look at the device itself. So there we go, your camera cutout. I'm not so sure if the camera I'm shooting with is capturing this, but there is your camera cutout. And at the back here, you, in addition to this sticker, which I should remove, you get your quad camera setup. Here's your fingerprint sensor, and then down here, same basic stuff: your speaker, your micro USB port for charging and data transfer, and then a microphone there, and your 3.5mm headphone jack. Up top, very clean. On the side, here is where you will be slotting in your SIM cards. That should be at least 2 of them, and then micro SD card. And this other side, we have the power button standing out with this red accent, and then you have your volume up, volume down buttons. That should be really it about what you see as far as physical aspects of the Tecno Spark 5 Pro go. This should be the exact same size as the standard variant. Nothing has changed really. So here's how it fits in that case that you get inside the box. So here you go. So for starters, you're getting still pretty much the same and return experience with Tecno's custom interface here. So in Kenya, skip, So here we go. Is what you are getting as standard on the Tecno Spark 5 Pro, and it's probably what most people who don't bother with customizations and everything, this is what they'll be seeing every day. So nothing here. If you've used the standard variant or you have one, there should be no changes here. So pretty much the same things that we've seen Tecno do in terms of customizations, since this is Android 10 and builds up on what we had with Android 9. You are getting your dark theme. There's a game mode here. What else? The same standard stuff. We have a WhatsApp mode, a bike mode. Well, at night you can have eye care on. There's silent screen reading, recording, and then you have a 100 mode, which will come in handy. This is a 6.6-inch display. It doesn't feel like it. Maybe it's because I'm used to using lots of big screen devices, but in case you ever need it, it's there. There's not much else. Yeah, that's it. You get a bunch of pre-installed applications here, which some of them you should be able to remove, others maybe not. Yeah, pretty much that's it. This is the Tecno Spark 5 Pro, which you can now find in shops all across Kenya. And for those who are outside Kenya, you should be keeping your eyes out on the Spark 6, which is launching in various markets, including India, Pakistan, and the likes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share this video on your social feeds, and see you in the next video.